Hey everybody, welcome back to another What's Cooking with the Bear video. Today we got the grill fired up again. We're going to start out with some red skin potatoes with garlic and rosemary. We got them on the grill. We're also going to be doing some pink salmon and some shrimp. So just want to get these on, get them cooking. We'll go in and get the shrimp and the salmon ready to go and bring them out and get everything cooking. Alright guys, we got our salmon on and the shrimp there on our cooking tray. I use this just because it's easier. Stuff don't drop down through the grates there on the grill. And I've been cooking the potatoes here for a few minutes. They're starting to look really good. A few more minutes on them. When they're just about done, we will throw the shrimp and the salmon on, and we'll be ready to cook that up. Bring you back when we put that on. Alright guys, potatoes are all done. We got it moved up there to the top rack. We got our tray with the shrimp and the salmon on there, and we got the cooker on a nice low temperature. All three burners are going. We're going to close the lid and let this start cooking. So we'll bring her back after she starts cooking a little while. Alright guys, it's been about 5 minutes. Check this out. And shrimp are cooking real nice. Everything's cooking real nice. The salmon's looking good. Oh yeah. You can tell when your fish is done when it's flaky. This ain't quite nowhere near being done yet. So we're going to let her cook for a little bit more. Probably flip the shrimp over so they don't get too done. There's those. I'm going to let this salmon cook just a little bit more. Just check and make sure it's not sticking. It's stuck there a little bit, but it'll be alright. We'll let it cook for a few more minutes on that side, and then we'll flip them over, and everything should be good to go. We'll bring you back when we flip them. Alright guys, it's been about 8 minutes on this one side here. You can see where the salmon's starting to sweat a little bit. The shrimp are probably done. We're going to move those up to the top rack. Just keep them warm. And we're going to go ahead and flip these. We're going to go ahead and flip these salmon over. Oh yeah. That one kind of got away from me. I see this side's not as warm as the other side there, so I'm going to try to move them down just a little bit. Need to switch hands. There we go. We'll let them cook for a little bit here, and let all that cook for a little bit, and we'll bring you back. Alright guys, you can see I kind of rotated them around here a little bit. You can see here real close that this is starting to flake up real nice and tender and easy. That means they are done. So we're going to get them pulled off here, get them plated up, and we'll bring you back when we get all that done. Alright guys, got everything all plated up here. Got our salmon up here, beautiful shrimp right there, of course our potatoes. I'm going to go ahead and try a little bit of this salmon. That is delicious. Nothing like cooked salmon on the grill. Got that nice grill flavor to it. Try one of these shrimp. Just as good as the last time, guys. Every time. I'm going to try one of these potatoes here. Oh. Red skin potato with garlic and rosemary. Wonderful. Put a little bit of squeeze of lemon on the salmon there. Just left the shrimp go. So I'm going to go sit down and enjoy this. Thank you all for watching. Hit that like button. Leave me a comment. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. We'll bring you more cooking videos if you guys really like them. Catch you next time. Bye.